Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about keeping little ones occupied on the plane. If you've been watching my channel for a little while, you know I travel with my daughter all the time. She's 2.5. Our family lives out of state, and so I've taken her on a plane a bunch. I mean, dozens of times. I think she's done 20 round trip flights, truly. And often I'm on the plane by myself with her. I take her whenever my husband is busy with stuff at work. If he's going to be traveling for work, I go and see family. So I'm on the plane with her by myself all the time. I definitely have some tips on how to keep her occupied. In my video on Monday, I told you guys that I would be showing some stuff that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. In this video, I told you guys to subscribe so you wouldn't miss it because I made out. I like to get stuff for busy bags at the Dollar Tree anyway, but this most recent time that I went, I found a ton of stuff that retails for like $5, $8, stuff that is really great value for just $1. I wanted to share it with you. I'm also excited because this video is a collab with my friend here on YouTube. She's a mommy named Yaara. Her channel is called LifeToTheFullest, and Yaara is a mommy of 6, so she definitely knows how to keep little ones entertained. She's doing a video for you guys about keeping kids occupied in the car, so like activities for road trips. I'm gonna put links below to her video and to her channel. You will want to check her out, but first I'm going to show you what I've come up with. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is this backpack that I'm using. So we're traveling next week and we're going to see family, and I'm going to go to Disney World for a few days, and so all of the stuff I'm showing is going to have a Disney theme to it, but obviously do whatever characters your child likes. I've shown this backpack before on my channel. There's a little puzzle piece in here. My daughter always leaves me surprises. I love this backpack for travel for my daughter for a few reasons. One, it was really affordable. I got it for about $10 on Amazon. I'll link it below for you guys. And it's also the perfect size. My daughter is a petite 2.5-year-old. So like some of the bigger backpacks, they're really bulky on her. I wanted something smaller, but a lot of these mini sized backpacks that you see nowadays, they're way too small to fit a bunch of stuff. Particularly, you can't get like full-size coloring books in there. But this fits a lot of stuff, but it's so lightweight. It's perfect for her. Like I said, I'm gonna link it below. We traveled with it. It's a great little backpack at a good price point. I'm gonna get through the stuff I got now. I want to show you. I'm gonna start with probably my favorite thing I found. I found these Imagine ink. So I'm sure you guys have seen these. These are one of my absolute favorite things to buy for my daughter for plane trips for a couple reasons. They've got this little reusable marker, and you color the pages and the color shows up, but this will not color anything else except these pages. So if the kid's drawing and it goes onto the little fold down table on the airplane, it's not going to mess anything up. It only colors in these pages. It's absolutely perfect. And it's not just coloring pages inside, it's like different activities and puzzles. I absolutely love these. My daughter loves them. However, these are usually $5. I grabbed a bunch. So this one actually even says here on the barcode, it says $4.99, and you can find these in the Target dollar spot usually. You can find them at Walmart, you can find them at Five Below, but anywhere you buy them, they are $5. Well, the Dollar Tree is selling them this week. I bought 4. So I'm guessing that these were like in a clearance bin because a couple of them are holiday themed. But that didn't bother me. I picked up some Mickey and Minnie and some Snoopy, but they also had these Cars ones that are not holiday themed at all. They're just cars and perfect for a Disney trip. And $1, you cannot beat it. So I picked up 4. I'm gonna put probably 1 or 2 in her backpack, and I'll save a couple for the next time we travel. But if you guys like these, go and get them. I saw these at a couple different Dollar Trees this week. So, you know, a bunch of different stores should have them. Look for them. I could not recommend them enough. I'm going to start stuffing the bag. I'm going to show something else that is something I was so impressed with at the Dollar Tree. I found these giant activity books. Look at these. Look how big they are compared to my head. I got these big activity books. So I like buying activity books at the Dollar Tree, but typically, you know, I steer clear of just the plain ones. I really look for ones that are a little special, where you're really getting a bang for your buck, and this fits the bill. So it comes with a ton of pages. There's different activities and things, and then you get stickers in here. I love that. My daughter is obsessed with stickers, so you get a bunch of stickers, and it's such a nice size. I think it's just a really good value for $1. It's like it's this heavy-duty material on the outside. This is not going to fit in her backpack, so I'll have to put it in my travel bag, but really perfect. I think it's a little bit more special than you would think for $1. So I picked up 2 of those. I got Nemo and Minions. And I'm going to show you a couple other activity books. These items did not come from the Dollar Tree. I know, shocking. They came from another dollar store in my area. It's called Dollar Zone. Dollar Zone is an incredible dollar store. I don't usually haul things from there though, because they're not nationwide, so not everybody has them, and I like to share things that I know anybody can go and pick up. But the stuff I found at the Dollar Zone this week was just too good. So first of all, I got these little books. And I really liked these because of the size. You can fit a bunch of these in a backpack. This is great for travel. They've got coloring pages inside. They've got little activities. So one is inside out and one is planes, and there's some stickers in here. And it's another one where it tells you on the back that the price was $2 and I got it for $1. So I thought those were great for travel, again, from the Dollar Zone. And then these are incredible. These are $8 books usually. I got these amazing sticker books at the Dollar Zone. So it's just a massive book of princess stickers, and they are activity stickers. So the front is all stickers, and then the back is these different like activities and riddles and puzzles and things that the child is instructed to put the stickers different places to make different pictures come alive. It's really super cool and really nice quality. You can feel just from touching it that it's really nicely done. What's the company here? Paragon Books. I don't know them. Anyway, so on the back, on the barcode, it says $7.99. I got them for $1 and I bought a bunch. So I got this various princesses. This one is Rapunzel and Ariel. And then this one is just Rapunzel. So they're calling them mosaic sticker by numbers. That's what it is. It's kind of like paint by numbers, but it's sticker by numbers. I thought these were a great deal for $1. I got a stack of them. We donate toys to a children's hospital, and they specifically ask for activity books because a lot of the kids have to stay in bed and they need stuff they can do in the bed. And so when I find stuff like this that, you know, it's not cheap, I'm paying $1, but it's a really nice quality thing. I think that's a great sort of thing to pick up if you like to donate. And then at the Dollar Zone, I also got this activity book. This one says $5.99 on the back. It's a Cars book, and it's an activity book. Actually, it's not Cars, it's Pixar. So they've got Nemo, Cars. It's got stickers in here. It's another one of these where you put the stickers and make things happen. I don't know, like I said, it's just like a little more special than a plain coloring book, and you're paying $1 for something that costs $6 or $8 at Walmart. You can't beat it. So I got those stack of things. Again, all that stuff I just showed you at the Dollar Zone. If you have one near you, run to it. I love that store. Now we're gonna get back to Dollar Tree stuff, I promise. I got some crayons and markers. I like to get stuff like this at the Dollar Tree. If we lose it while we're traveling, I'm not too upset. I think it's fun to get special characters when you're traveling. These are Fancy Nancy and these are Mickey Mouse. And it's just really special when your child's pulling them out of the bag. They get excited to see their favorite characters. It helps entertain them on the go, right? Can never go wrong with that. And then I got two of these things. I did a busy bag video a few months ago. I'll link it below. That one was more extensive. That one was longer than this one's gonna be, because I'm not gonna go over stuff I went over in that. But if you're interested, go check it out. I put a bunch of tips for flying, and in that video I talked about these kinds of things. Little like boards where the kids are drawing, but it's not like a coloring book. So this is a dry erase board. It comes with its own little dry erase marker, and my daughter loves drawing on this. She can sit it in her lap while we're like waiting to take off, and she can draw, and then we can erase it and she can do it over. It's like reusable, right? So this is a great sort of thing to travel with. And then this is a little Magnadoodle. She loves these. This is great for travel. It's so compact. She can draw over and over, and then we can just wipe it clean and she can keep going. And this was from the Dollar Tree, and it's Etch-a-Sketch brand. It's a brand name. This is a perfect little travel toy. Fits really nicely in her backpack. I always travel with those little toys. I got some stickers. I mentioned earlier, she loves stickers. Fancy Nancy and Mickey Mouse. I love that Dollar Tree has Fancy Nancy merchandise right now. All the little girls are loving her. So get a couple books of stickers. And then I hauled this like a few months ago, and I've been holding it onto it for travel. This is like a little sticker scene. Let me open it up. So Dollar Tree sells stuff like this from time to time, where you get this little like vinyl board. Not vinyl, but it's like kind of laminated. And then you get these stickers that you can put on and make like a little scene, but they're not permanent. So because of the way it's made, you can put the sticker on, but then you can peel it off, you can move it around. It's kind of like sticker paper dolls. That's great for travel. Anything that's reusable that you can keep playing with, I think is perfect when you're traveling. And I'm going to leave it in this box. That's sort of what I like to try to achieve when I'm making these busy bags. Stuff that it's an experience of opening it up. So she's found a new thing. She gets to open the box, pull out each thing. Ooh, what is this? Really helps occupy them. And in that vein, I'm going to throw in this little package of plastic princess rings. My daughter, she loves dress up right now, and she really loves playing with jewelry. She always wants to wear my jewelry, so now I got her a couple of these. This will be really fun for her to discover in the bag, pull out, play with. There's nothing really travel themed about this, but I think little things like this that are kind of special and fun and unique, it's great for travel bags when you really want to keep them distracted. I think that's all I have. So I'm gonna start putting stuff in here and let's see how we go. So one thing I want to mention is I don't have any coloring books in here because a lot of these like activity books that I'm including, they have coloring pages in them. But if your child loves to color, definitely put some coloring books in there. Dollar Tree has amazing coloring books. The coloring books are also great too because if you get stickers, they've got like a spot to put their stickers. And I'm putting these in their packaging. I'm not taking them out so we can have that experience of opening them up. I guess our neighbors aren't going to love all that crinkly cellophane, but what can you do? Yeah, so I got a ton in here. I got a ton of stuff in here. Zip it up for her, and there you go. One other thing I do want to mention too, I said this in my last busy bag video, but I put like about half the stuff in her backpack and then I put the rest in my suitcase because if you're flying down there, they use up the stuff, you're going to want some items to put back in the backpack for the return trip. Don't forget that you have to come home. So that is my little backpack. I think that I found some really fun finds. My daughter is going to absolutely love this. She loves when it's time to put on her backpack and go. Let me know in the comments below which was your favorite item that I put in here, and hit that thumbs up button if you liked this. Don't forget, go and check out Yaara. Like I said, she's got 6 little ones. She knows how to keep them entertained. And hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I do really simple projects every single week. I'll see you guys next time.